Okay, guys, I hope you are doing great. We have been working on Captime application, the Captime application, and what I was trying to do is organize a little bit these views. Please check on the Figma file that I shared with you, so you're gonna be able to see and give me some help and support here as well. Alright, so today I have been working in my account, and I just propose now, if you guys are agree with me, we can remove the message as well, this add remove vehicles, because our idea is just, you know, use it from here, from the listing part, instead of here, because we are having a specific menu item here to work with the boat and edit the boat, and the same for messages. That makes sense. So I have been working today on this. I completed the personal details, trip history, help, setting a notification. I have no idea what I'm going to put here. We need to think about that. Please give me some ideas. And then payment methods is already completed. We need to connect that with whatever tap payment said about the configuration. Privacy and security, what we are going to do here, I have no idea. Terms and conditions, I already added, and as well in about what we are going to do in submit feedback, and so on. So let's check what we have in menu. When we click in menu, we should see something like this here, right? So personal details, this is what we have in our view. Trip history, we have 3 filters here. We have a cancel trip here, we have a completed trip here. So when we click here, we are gonna see just the completed one and cancel ones here, and so on, so for non-coming trips. Messages, this is what I'm saying. If we click here, we are going to do the same action than clicking here. Messages here, messages here. Make sense? Does make sense? Oh, here we need to click here. Okay, back here, add remove vehicles or remove vehicles. That's what I'm saying. We should manage everything from the boat here. I think here should be my boat instead of listing. In help, well, I create these categories. We can add more or edit this one here. So yeah, I know, Khalid, you mentioned the AI, but for now we need the static part. Then we are going to add the AI here. Okay, we need to create a base of knowledge to start feeding the AI, and then the AI will be able to answer the questions. Okay, and then we have settings, as I mentioned before. I have no idea. Notifications, same thing. Payment methods, here we need to talk with tap payment to see if they need the government ID or not. Otherwise we are going to remove this from here accordingly. And then Privacy and security. Have no idea. Terms and conditions. This is what I started here. Please check that out later. We can update that file. And about. So in about I need to update these icons here. All right. What are we going to do with submit feedback? Are we going to create a form, or are we gonna add test, or just let me know, okay? And yeah, logout is working as well. Top time. Yeah, the same password. All right. Tomorrow I'm going to talk with Maxime regarding the boat to see if I can help him with the boat to connect the back end and the front end. I already work on that part in the front end, so let's see if tomorrow we can integrate that. So finally we are going to be able to see the process for the boat working, as well listing the boat here. Well, here is the trying to connect to the backend. I need to add the catch and exception in order to do something by default, but yeah, that's going to be tomorrow and so on. Okay guys, this is the captain side. We can discuss more about this tomorrow. Oh, by the way, this icon here, I remember I didn't remove it because I don't remember actually if we are going to use this guy or this one here. So just to let you guys know, please, I need help with that because I don't remember, to be honest. I have so many things in my head now for the coding, so thank you so much. Oh, before leave, this is what I need to, this is what I want to say. This is what we are going to keep and work on that. And what is the other thing? Oh, the trip history. How are we going to show the trip history in the captain part? Because this one is about the trip history of the customer. So please let me know how can we work in that part. That was for my account option, which is menu now. So I don't know if we are gonna call it my account or menu. Please let me know as well. That help me to answer that question. In my boat, Maria work on this part, and we need to add these two more. But I was thinking it will be a lot in the same step because we have a lot of widgets or components hanging out from this view or screen availability. So please help me with some ideas about for this one about availability. Yeah, this is how it should look when we already add or register the boat. Yes, that's my boat part. How we are going to edit the boat? That's a good question. The schedule, which is this part here, or availability. And my previous trips was the question I just asked now here. My trips, this one. My previous trips. Yeah, those. previous trips. Yeah, I asked you guys before here. My previous trips, this one. Okay, so the idea was to use this for home today. My message here, my boat here, and my account or menu. Please let me know if you like more my account or menu here. And we add calendar to show our captain what's gonna happen in future. We need to work on that part because now it's in depth team. I think I don't remember where I saw that. Yeah. Calendar should be no. This is part for the configuration of the boat. I think it was here. Yeah, I think it's this one. So I'm gonna try to work on that one tomorrow. The calendar should show something like this. All right. This for select time. Yeah, the configuration for the schedule. Select time. All right. So that's all for today for the captain side. Tomorrow we are gonna try to solve the connection or do the integration between the front end and the back end to be able to add the boat to the database and retrieve the boat from the database all the way from the backend, all the way through the backend, and then showing up here in the front end bar. Thank you guys. I hope you have a good day or good night. I don't know where you are at now. Enjoy. Take care.